Friends, this is Sridhar Patnaik. Today we are going to learn some more problems on definite integrals. Integral 0 to 1 cos 2 cot inverse 1 minus x by 1 plus x dx. Evaluate. Friends, put x is equal to cos theta. 1 minus x by 1 plus x is equal to 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. This is tan square theta by 2. This is tan theta by 2. This can be written. Cot pi by 2 minus theta. Theta is equal to cos inverse x. From this, theta is equal to cos inverse x. This means x is equal to 0 to pi. Therefore theta is equal to pi by 2 to 0. Therefore I is equal to integral pi by 2 to 0. Pi by 2 to 0. Therefore integral pi by 2 0 cos 2 cot inverse cot pi by 2 minus theta by 2 into dx. Dx means minus sin theta d theta. This minus will changes the limits of the integral. This is cot, this is cos 2 pi by 2 minus theta by 2 into sin theta d theta. This becomes integral 0 to pi by 2 cos pi minus theta sin theta d theta. This is cos theta. This is minus cos theta. This is minus cos theta. Cos pi minus theta is equal to minus cos theta. Therefore, this can be written integral 1 by 2 0 to pi by 2 sin 2 theta d theta. Because this is minus cos theta, this is minus 1 by 2 integral of sin 2 theta cos 2 theta by 2 integral 0 to pi by 2 4 minus 1 by 4. Cos 2 theta means cos pi minus cos 0. This is minus 1 by 4 minus 1. This is 1 by 2. This is 2. Okay friends. This can be written as integral minus pi by 2 0 cos x by 1 plus integral 0 to pi by 2 cos x by 1 plus ex dx. In this integral, put t is equal to x is equal to minus 2 minus t. Dx is equal to minus dt. This becomes integral x is equal to minus t. Therefore, pi by 2 to 0 pi by 2 to 0 cos of minus t cos t plus 1 plus e power minus t. This is dt minus dt. So plus dt. This becomes plus pi by integral 0 to pi by 2 cos x by 1 plus e power x dx. Now write this one like this. Integral 0 integral minus 0 to pi by 2 e power t cos t by 1 plus e power t minus dt. Minus dt means this becomes here plus. This is integral 0 to pi by 2 cos x by 1 plus e power x dx. Now over t cos x by 1 plus e power x plus integral 0 to pi by 2 cos x by e power x dx. This is also dx. On taking LCM, integral 0 to pi by 2 1 plus e power x cos x by 1 plus e power x dx. These two will get cancelled. Integration of cos x minus sin x. This is 0 to pi by 2. This is minus 1. This is minus 1.
ఇక్కడ 1
Integral pi minus x sin pi minus x by 1 plus cos square pi minus x. This is integral 0 to pi minus x. This is sin x by 1 plus cos square x. Integral 0 to pi sin x by 1 plus cos square x dx. 1 plus cos square x dx. Derivative minus pi of cos x by 1 plus cos square x, because derivative of cos x is equal to minus sin x. This is minus plus the same will come. This becomes 0 to pi tan inverse cos x 0 to pi. Substituting now minus pi tan inverse cos pi means cos pi. This is minus pi by 4 minus pi by 4 minus pi plus 2 pi square by 4. 2 pi square by 4. Okay friends? Equal to pi square by 4. This is 2i.